Jacob here from J.D.T, and today I'm going to be revealing my custom 1000 subscriber play button. So obviously this was my 100 subscriber play button. You've seen this many times before. This was my 500. Yeah, this was my 500 subscriber play button. Very small, but it was very epic. Now, time to unveil my 1000 subscriber play button. But before I start, I'm going to thank you all again for 1000 subscribers. It's my channel's birthday on Saturday. I've got quite a few epic things planned, so stay tuned for that. Set a reminder. My 1000 subscriber play button is this. It's out of the ordinary shape. It's not a square, it's not a circle, it's a hexagon. And I decided to go with a yellow and green button, just for a bit of a brighter button. And you can also get that thing there, open it, and it's a chest. So I could put whatever I wanted in here, but for the moment I'm just going to go boom and boom. So yeah, 1000 subscriber play button. It's a very good play button, if I do say so myself. Here are your others. See if I can pick them all up at the same time. Yay! Ah yeah, Puggy. Got 1000 subscribers, Puggy.
Yeah. I couldn't be asked putting it up either. Yeah. But like the other one that I won off Steve, it's on wheels. It's just
To celebrate, I
like
thought I'd go and see Pugsley because not seen him in a while.
It's on wheels and the gas canister sticks out.
Oh yeah.
Epic. No. I just wondering how much it is.
I can't draw, man. I can't drive. Man, I can't draw.
Because you've got two. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, the little red one.
That might drive.
Missed you, Puggy.
And does it, when you go camping, does it last you the whole trip? Is it on all the time as well? So they last a long time?
Look at that Puggy wug.
So knowing our luck, I would have put it up, and then I would have got a call this morning or halfway through the night. You get called out any second.
So yeah, leave a like, comment what you want me to do next, and subscribe for more. Bye!